Hi, I'm Brian with Silversphere Technical Support, and today we're going to learn how to replace a wireless transmitter through your push-button console. Our transmitters are wireless devices that send a transmission through your emergency call system to either trigger or reset an alarm. The transmitters include a pendant, a wireless call station, or a universal transmitter. When a transmitter is replaced, it simultaneously removes the old device while activating the new device in its place. To replace a wireless transmitter with the new one, first push your setup button. Then select the option for Wireless Admin. The password is 220, and then press OK. Select the Replace Transmitter function. Always select List All. Select the apartment you wish to replace your transmitter in. Select the transmitter you wish to replace. Then enter the new code on the new transmitter. If you need to enter a letter, press the number multiple times. Then press OK. Confirm your entry. Press Done. Press Done again. It is now prompting you to save your changes. Press the button to do so. Go ahead and confirm the changes to be made are correct, and press Save Changes. Select Yes. Now just press your setup button to get back out to the home screen. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to replace a wireless transmitter through your push-button console.